go as low as 800. We believe that at a royalty rate of 10%, the net margin is 110, and that if we charge a royalty rate of 5%, it then reduces how much the country can get. And at a royalty rate of 10%, we could be making around $80 per ton. But the company's net margin is going to be around $110. But if we charge 5%, then it gives us $40 per ton. Then the net margin of the company then becomes the $150 per ton. Now, if you come to the current price, that's the recovery, and we call it recovery because at the spot level, this is the price between 1,000 to 1,002. Even at the recovery level, that is the current spot price. And if you look at the 10% royalty rate that was in the previous agreement, it gives us $120 per ton, and the net margin is $470. But if you charge 5%, then it minimizes how much the company would have given to the country. And so our argument is that the royalty rate that we put in agreement should reflect the market dynamics. And that's why we are proposing for the sliding scale with a minimum floor of 10%, which means that even if the price should crash below 1,000 at 10%, the net margin is very positive. And that is because the mine, if you look at the way the cost mine and the geology of the Ewoyaa mine, it posts one of the low production cost profile, which means that it is very cheaper to produce compared to other mines or other lithium mines across the world based on the company's own estimation. But we should set a minimum floor of 10% so that, and a sliding scale condition that if prices go beyond a specific margin, the country is able to cover more.
Well, the Institute for Economic Affairs, IEA, for instance, believes that Ghana must move beyond royalty charges to own its own resources. Dr. Charles Mensah is economist and founder of IEA and also spoke at the committee engagement.
Our estimation of this lithium is $172 billion US. That's the total, the value of what is. If you take the quantum that has been described by the lithium company, by the Australian company, they are saying they are finding a quantum of 1.6 billion tons. Now, there's a conversion ratio to convert from the raw lithium to what they sell is called lithium carbonate. So the process is to convert your raw lithium to lithium carbonate. That conversion ratio is about 5.3. When you do that calculation, and today's value of lithium is about $90,000 US, you are looking at about $172 billion as of today. A few months ago, it was even higher. It was about $240 billion. Prices have gone down. It's about $172 billion. This is the value of what we have. Should we give this to Atlantic, Mr. Atlantic and his friends? That's the question we have to ask.